Hi guys, I'm Tepe at NT Lab in Japan. And here we have that vacuum cleaner I made last time. I put it here. And today I'm going to use it and I will show you how I use it and how it works. Okay, so we have vacuum cleaner and it's actually set at a part of shelf like this. It's in the bottom of the shelf, and this is actually house of cat. And so here we have a resident. Hello. And okay, anyway, this vacuum cleaner, so I put a hose. It's from drain hose of washing machine, and I also put a little knob here so I could easily take the drawer out. And I also put a switch here, so today I'm going to use this one. Okay, so I'm using the machine now, but if you look around the machine, we have here the dining room for the cat. He eats food here, and here there is a toilet. So the machine is for cleaning these places. And okay, let's make a little bit mess here. So usually it's like this. Okay, so let's clean them up. I will switch it on. Like this, and if you look at inside drawer, we have dust like this. Inside is like this, and the trash come here, so very easy to clean them up. Okay, but actually I couldn't clean the rest because the power of the machine is not strong enough, and when the gap is here, because air comes inside from here, not from the hose, so the power of vacuuming is not strong enough. So maybe I will put something to stop the intaking air on the box. Maybe I could do that later. So anyway, that is how I use this machine. Okay, so today I showed you how I use this machine. I hope you enjoyed it. And actually this shelf here for the cat, it's quite interesting and it has many functions, so probably I will show you in next movie clip. And this place here is second floor of MT Lab, and here it's like a lounge place, and we also have kitchen and rooms for residents, and usually many people come here to live or to create things, making things, cooking, and it's quite interesting place. And we will open from 1st June, I think, so if you have chance, please come and have a look. Okay, so I think that's all for today. So thank you for watching and see you in next movie. Bye.